Man, President Trump has just signed a new executive order that could drastically impact the U.S. automotive industry and consumers. A 25% tariff on all imported cars and parts. So what does this mean for the next future of our next car purchase and global trade landscape in 2025? Let's break it down. On yesterday, March 26, 2025, President Trump announced a new 25% tariff on all imported vehicles and car parts, citing national security concerns and the protection of American jobs. Now, this move is expected to have major implications not only for the car buyers, but also for the manufacturers around the globe. Countries like the European Union and Canada, who supply a significant portion of the U.S. car market, will be directly impacted by these tariffs, and it could raise the cost of foreign-made vehicles, potentially leading to higher prices for consumers. So, how will this affect the automotive industry? Well, manufacturers who rely on parts from overseas may face higher production costs. These costs could trickle down to consumers in the form of higher car prices, and that's not good. Additionally, this could change the way automakers approach production. Some companies may begin shifting more production to the U.S. soil, creating new jobs, but potentially raising the price of vehicles altogether. So, for consumers, the immediate effect could be an increase in price on all new cars, especially foreign-made cars. Cars like Hondas, Toyotas, and BMWs can see their prices rise by thousands of dollars due to this new tariff. And while some may see this as an opportunity for American car manufacturers, others may feel the burden of higher car prices and fewer affordable options for buyers. So on the global stage, this move could provoke retaliatory tariffs from other countries affecting a range of industries, from electronics to agriculture. The ripple effects of these decisions could create tension in international trade agreements. On the flip side, this tariff could encourage U.S.-based manufacturing of all car parts and vehicles, potentially creating new jobs and boosting the American economy altogether. But this won't happen overnight. It's a long-term strategy that could reshape the automotive sector. So as we move further along into 2025, this executive order will continue to impact both the auto industry and consumers. Now, whether it will lead to higher prices or increased manufacturing jobs, that's still up for debate. But one thing's for sure, this tariff will have far-reaching effects across industries. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on this developing story. And let us know how you think these tariffs will affect the automotive industry.